setting a custom view in Sage Web. So let's say I have a couple of groups that I go to frequently that I don't want to have to deselect the other groups all the time. Using our custom views section, you can do just that. So let's say I go into the boiler room and the mech room a lot. I'm going to go ahead and remove all other groups, make sure that only the two I want are still selected. And then I'll go over here to the views, click Save Current Selection as a View, give it a name, and there you have it. So now if you go through and make other selections, maybe you're making, you want to add in the other location or other groups, I can go back to my views, click on it, and it'll deselect and select the correct groups that I saved in that custom view. So now boiler room and mech room are back. This is a quick and easy way to get to specific groups if you frequent them a lot.